I'm Dr. Balaji. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon, and I practice in Chennai. I have my own exclusive craniofacial hospital with operation theatre and inpatient facilities, and I get patients from all over the world for reconstructive surgery of the head and neck. And today we have the annual conference and convocation of International College of Dentists going on here. We have over the Chancellor as the chief guest, and also first time this International College is more than 106 years old. First time we are presenting a fellowship award to a non-dentist. Usually this fellowship is given for senior dentists with 30 publications and research. Above the age of 35 to 40, it's only presented. Nearly 28 of them receive the fellowship. But this is a honorary fellowship which is awarded to the Chancellor, Dr. Parivendar. See, dental ethics or surgical ethics is very important. And when you see a patient, that is why we take a oath. We take the white coat oath when they start going to the medical or the dental school. They wear the white coat. That time they take the oath. Then at the time of convocation or graduation, they take the oath. Mostly it is on the ethics, on medical ethics, about your practice and how you should behave with the patient, how you should behave with your colleagues, how you refer a patient to another doctor, how you discuss, how confident, how much confidentiality you keep for any patient record. So everything is very important, and same way in ethics is discussed in publications also. Your research also ethics are discussed. So I agree that ethics is very important. Yes, I agree with you. When I was also a student, I applied for the MBBS. I could not get that, then I joined. But there is no regret, because I don't regret that I could not join MBBS. It all depends your own hard work. Because in fact, if you see my classmates from school who studied with me and who went to MBBS and who went to dental like me, and I am far ahead of them. I have achieved more than them, and it depends on your hard work and your vision, your mission, and how much you think what you want to achieve in life. Actually, this conference was allotted to me as an international coordinator to decide the venue. But I have seen in 2011 or 12 we had the Science Congress here, and SRM University is so much in-house. They have their own university. They have very nice scientific lecture halls, and can accommodate a huge number of people, the delegates, their comfort. It is in-house. They have a nice hospitality hotel. So I have chosen this university to conduct this huge congress, and we have more than 1,500 delegate students here, and they are presenting papers, 463 free papers, 78 invited lectures, and that is the reason why we have chosen SRM University to conduct this Congress. Actually, 40th year of higher education, I think, and what I went through the history of SRM, in 1968, the schools were started. That means, imagine those who studied in the same school, then now it is the 40th year of SRM University. That means a student coming to SRM University at the age of 17 or 18, he must be now 60-year-old. So that means, and I was just going through the history and the student performance, and there's so much of campus interview here. So many companies are after the students of engineering, and so much is done in artificial intelligence. Also, and congratulations to SRM, because from SRM to White House, I read someone has got an appointment by the President Trump recently. So I'm sure SRM is a great height, and I wish them more and more laurels in future. Yes, see, as a senior dentist and a consultant, my advice to the youngsters: first thing, you respect your parents, because they have sacrificed so much for your education. Then respect the colleagues. then your profession. Your profession, your vision is important. So whatever you do, whatever the scientific work you do, you document this. Then you think of how you can publish it, or you can write a scientific publication and go into research. Definitely nobody can, somebody can lose all his money, house, everything. But whatever you study, your education, you cannot lose it. So I wish they have a research mind and they progress more in future, and I wishing them all the best.